Imagine a world where physical boundaries between countries are no more. Massive bridges span oceans and rivers connecting continents. This is the vision of a world fully integrated through bridges, a world where distance is minimized. Such a world might seem impossible, a distant fantasy, but the potential benefits of such interconnectedness are too great to ignore. Let's explore the possibilities and the challenges of a world without borders. The most obvious benefit of global bridges is the economic impact. These bridges can serve as vital arteries for international commerce, linking markets that were previously difficult to connect. Reduced transportation costs could lead to a boom in global trade. With shorter and more efficient routes, businesses can save on shipping expenses, making products more affordable for consumers. Goods and services could move freely, boosting economies around the world. This would not only benefit large corporations but also small and medium-sized enterprises looking to expand their reach. Increased connectivity would make travel easier and more affordable. Families could visit distant relatives more frequently, and tourism could flourish, bringing economic benefits to various regions. Imagine driving from Paris to Tokyo or New York to London. Such possibilities could revolutionize the way we think about travel and distance. This ease of travel would foster cultural exchange and understanding. People from diverse backgrounds could meet, share ideas, and celebrate their unique traditions. Resource allocation would be optimized. Companies could set up distribution centers in strategic locations, ensuring that goods are delivered efficiently and on time. Surplus resources from one part of the world could easily reach areas in need. This could be crucial in times of crisis, such as natural disasters or food shortages. This could alleviate shortages and promote global cooperation. Nations could work together more effectively, sharing resources and expertise to tackle common challenges. Labor mobility would increase, allowing people to work and live wherever their skills are needed. This could lead to a more dynamic and adaptable workforce. This could lead to a more balanced and prosperous global workforce. By breaking down barriers, global bridges could pave the way for a more interconnected and harmonious world. Building and maintaining such a vast network of bridges would present enormous logistical challenges. The coordination required among various engineering teams, each specializing in different aspects of the project, would be immense. The sheer scale of engineering required is daunting. Engineers would need to innovate continuously to overcome the physical and technical barriers posed by such ambitious projects. New materials and construction techniques would be essential. These innovations would not only need to be strong and durable but also adaptable to various environmental conditions. The economic cost would be substantial, requiring global cooperation and investment. Funding such a project would involve complex financial planning and international partnerships. Decisions on financing, construction, and maintenance would require unprecedented international agreements. Countries would need to work together, setting aside differences for the greater good. Environmental concerns would need to be addressed. Detailed impact studies would be necessary to ensure that the natural habitats are preserved. The construction process should minimize impact on marine life and ecosystems. Special care would be needed to protect underwater habitats and ensure the sustainability of marine biodiversity. Sustainable materials and energy-efficient designs would be crucial. These elements would not only reduce the environmental footprint but also ensure the longevity and resilience of the bridges. Section 4. Navigating geopolitical waters. The geopolitical implications of such interconnectedness are complex and multifaceted. While bridges could promote peace and cooperation, fostering mutual understanding and economic collaboration, they could also create new tensions, as differing political agendas and historical grievances come to the fore. Issues of security and border control would need to be addressed meticulously, ensuring that the bridges do not become conduits for illegal activities. The flow of goods and people would have to be monitored to prevent illegal activities, such as smuggling and human trafficking. National sovereignty and cultural identity could be impacted, as the ease of crossing borders might dilute traditional values and norms. The free flow of people and ideas could lead to cultural homogenization, where unique cultural identities might blend into a more global culture, which some might perceive as a threat to their heritage and way of life. International agreements and regulations would be needed to manage these challenges, ensuring that the benefits of interconnectedness are maximized while mitigating potential downsides. Global cooperation and diplomacy would be more critical than ever, requiring nations to work together in unprecedented ways to navigate these complex geopolitical waters. Section 5. A bridge to the future. The idea of a world connected by bridges is a powerful one. While the challenges are significant, the potential benefits, economic growth, cultural exchange, resource optimization, and increased labor mobility, are too great to ignore. It's a vision that requires imagination, innovation, and a strong commitment to global cooperation. Perhaps one day, it will become a reality, bridging not just physical distances, but also the gaps that divide humanity.